Hi, my name is Sarah. Welcome to the 12U12 Profile Page tutorial. To open the page, go to the main menu and tap on the Profile option in Tools and Settings section. This page is for updating user information, reset password, and create new subusers. The top section contains your name and subusers that you have added to your account. The next section is for adding new subusers or updating information for existing users. Let me demonstrate how to edit the main user profile for this account. Me, Sarah. Currently, there are 2 users on my account, me and my brother, Ricky. The word main next to my name indicates that I am the main user of the account. Each 12U12 account can have only one main user. The rest are subusers. The numbers in brackets on the right of each usernames are 12U12 user IDs. There is a trash can for each user. If tap on the trash can for the main user, the whole account including subuser data will be deleted. It is also critical to note that once deleted, the whole account is not recoverable. If I tap the trash can for a subuser, only the selected subuser data will be removed from this 12U12 account. To edit my profile, let's tap on my name in the name container. The first few fields display the information I entered when I signed up for my 12U12 account. The birth month, birth year, group, and gender fields are grayed out because these details are fixed. To modify any of this information, please contact 12U12 through the account and support page. Next is the allergen field. I get rashes on the back of my neck when I eat mangoes or oranges, so let's add them as allergens. Done. All the allergens I have entered are now listed here. If any product I am exposed to contains mango or orange, those ingredients will be highlighted on the Daily Input Summary page. If I select a food that contains mango or orange on the meal plan page, I will receive an alert as well. Please note that allergen alerts are available only for verified products in the 12U12 database. Next is the ethnicity field. My mother is Chinese and my father is Indian. Done. To the right of the ethnicity field is the language field. There is no need to change it since it is already set to English. Finally, we have the password fields. I will skip these because I do not need to change my account password. Password changes are available only for the main user because subusers are part of the main user's account. That's it. Let's tap the Update button to save the changes. Tap OK to confirm the changes. The changes have now been saved to the 12U12 database. Editing an existing user was easy. Let's see how to add subusers. When no user is selected in the user container, all the fields are defaulted to blank and ready for creating a new subuser. I want to add my cat, Fluffy, as my subuser. Let's enter her particulars in the respective field. First name, Fluffy. Last name, Lee. Birth month, January. Birth year, 2019. Group, cat. Gender, female. Weight, 4 kilograms. And height, 23 centimeters. I'll leave the allergen field blank because Fluffy is not allergic to anything. Let's make sure the birth month, birth year, group, and gender are correct because once saved, I will need to contact 12U12 account and support to make changes. Now, tap the Add Subuser button. Tap OK to confirm the entries. Fluffy Lee has been added to the user container. Now let's check Fluffy's profile. Everything is saved correctly. I can now enter data for Fluffy on any page. When my brother Ricky leaves for college, I can create a separate account for him without losing any entered data. To do so, I tap the Graduate button. All I need is an email address which Ricky will use as his login ID and a temporary password for the new account. Upon tapping Submit, Ricky will receive an activation email from 12U12. Once Ricky clicks the activation link in the email, a new account will be created for Ricky, and all data and history associated with him will be moved to his new account. On the other hand, if I want to combine 2 accounts, I can use the Join feature. For example, my grandfather has high blood pressure and diligently monitors his symptoms, food intake, and medications. He also tracks the activities of his pet dog, Buddy. Recently, he broke his wrist and started living with my family. He wants me to help with his 12U12 data entries so he can continue monitoring his health. To make this easier, I will transfer the historical data from his account to mine and make him and Buddy my subusers. All he has to do is go to his profile page, tap Main User, and then tap the Join button. He will be prompted to enter my email address, create a 6-digit passcode for verification, and tap Submit. That's it. 12U12 will send me a request message. When I receive the request message in my inbox, I'll enter the same passcode my grandfather created and tap the Approve button. Done. 12U12 will send a message to my inbox when the transfer has been completed successfully. Look, 12U12 has sent me a success message. Let's go to my profile page. Both my grandfather and Buddy have been added to my account as sub-users. All their historical data has also been transferred successfully. This makes it much easier for me to help enter and track their data. There are 2 more useful features on the profile page: the panic mode and the limited access mode. These features are designed to provide controlled access to a sub-user's data while protecting the privacy of the entire account. The panic mode button creates a highly restricted version of the 12U12 app on a sub-user's device that allows symptom entry only. It is designed for users who are less comfortable with technology, such as young children or older adults. This enables them to record symptoms as soon as they occur. The limited access button creates a restricted version of the 12U12 app on a sub-user's device, providing access only to specific pages and the selected sub-user's data. To learn more about these 2 features, watch the limited access and the panic mode tutorial videos on the 12U12 website, which is www.12u12.com. Check out our other features on the menu bar. Tap the section titles to watch more tutorial and how-to videos. Thanks for using the 12U12 app.